Hello. So I did my interactive whiteboard on Miro. I think that this tool was super helpful and can be super helpful to students. So my task is to match the correct value to each group. So I have a couple groups of coins and then I have a couple options over here, and I want to match the post-it note to the right group. Right now I'm in presentation mode, so if I go down here, I can take it out of presentation mode and then see all my tools. Down here I also have a video just in case anybody needs a little help remembering what the values of coins are. Miro has a lot of tools, so they have the template tool where you can just get already made templates and modify them to what you need. This was actually a template that I used and I just modified it to what I needed. So I just needed 2 boxes. This one initially had 3. So there's shapes in the background. I use the shape tool. I also use the sticky note tool. That's all the numbers and everything over here is sticky notes. You can change the color of them, which makes it kind of more visually appealing for students, I feel. Over here there is also a connection line tool. This is what made me think to do a lesson like this. So you can take this line right here and I want to match 37 cents to the value with the picture with 37 cents. So I would just take it and I would connect it. I think that's a fun way, and I think students would really like to do that. There's also the comment tool. I think this is the best tool of the program. You can leave any kind of comment that you want. The activity. So I left that comment and it says that I left it. You can change the color of your line. And it's right here so the teacher can go on and see the students' comments and they can leave a reply or they can resolve it. And then the comment disappears. I think that this tool is super helpful in classrooms, and I think that it's fun to get students engaged with online activities like this. So thank you for watching and enjoy the tool.